Welcome to JH. I finally gave the YARBO robot lawnmower a spin, and the first thing I noticed was its sleek, sturdy design, because if a machine is going to replace me, it might as well look better than me too. Setting it up was surprisingly straightforward, and once it kicked into gear, it handled the yard with impressive grace. It navigates around obstacles and cuts so evenly that you'll quickly forget what a heavy, manual mower even feels like. Honestly, it's refreshing to see something in my yard actually doing its job without complaining about the heat or needing a union brake. The biggest surprise was how quiet it runs. It's essentially a silent assassin for tall grass, working away in the background without ruining the neighborhood's peace. After a full run, the lawn looked freshly trimmed and perfectly smooth. What I love most is the sheer convenience of reclaiming my weekends from the tyranny of lawn maintenance. It takes over a chore that usually eats up a massive chunk of my Saturday, doing the job with more consistency and precision than I ever managed after a couple of beers. It's reliable, efficient, and lets me actually enjoy my yard instead of treating it like a grueling second job. Overall, the YARBO feels like a high-quality, smart tool that makes lawn care feel genuinely effortless. It has officially earned a permanent spot in my routine, mostly because it keeps the place looking sharp while I contribute absolutely nothing to the manual labor. It turns out the secret to a perfect lawn is simply staying out of the way and letting the robot take all the credit.